Uh, Talking about your, with this lockdown, there are so many things happening in India. Especially, we are losing our we have lost actually some of our favorite and legendary artists. So the situation in India is very bad. एक तो लॉकडाउन ने वैसी सबकी हालत खराब कर रखी है, and with people like Irfan Khan, Rishi Kapoor, and
Rishi Kapoor. With their immunity was compromised because of their existing health situations. But with Sushant, it was a big shock to everyone. Even, I know him socially. I used to know him socially, and with Ankita, and whenever I spoke to him, he came across as very, very sorted guy. I'm sure you guys would have also spoken to him a lot of times. He was a very well-read guy and who could take risks. Nobody can even imagine he can get into some kind of depression. I don't feel this was because of depression thing and this nepotism thing going on. People are just making it out of like in that Joker movie. Everybody is taking out their angst and frustration because they can't get work or something. It was not that with Sushant. He was doing very good for himself. And he was an outsider, but he was treated so well. I don't know why people are after Karan Johar and everybody about nepotism. Nepotism is everywhere. Not even in film industry, in TV, in politics, everywhere. People want to give chance to their loved ones, their family, friends. And of course they will do. Who else?
Yes, right.
But talent is what stays. Now, it's not only about talent also, it's your temperament, it's your attitude towards
behavior
things. Now, a lot of other things, what kind of person you are. Like Abhishek Bachchan, take the example of Abhishek Bachchan. He's such a talented actor. He had a family. But people started comparing him to Amitabh Bachchan ji. So it didn't work in his favor, in fact, the family name. So maybe he doesn't have that temperament of going all about it, working hard like his father. Amitabh ji, still every day and night he's ready to work, and I don't know how he gets so much of mind space and time in his 24 hours that for 24 hours he's taking extra. He's doing so much extra. Right. So it's about your willingness to do something, about going there. And some people are good in PR, some people they just want to maintain that low key and low profile. There are so many other things, just not the talent that works. Right. So we can't blame one thing or the other, that nepotism or people treated him like that. He was talented. There are a lot of talented people.
Samiksha, you have known him personally, as you said, and socially also you knew him. Whenever we met him or we saw him at parties or with friends, he was very happy. He came across as a very happy person. So when you first heard about he committing suicide and because of depression, because he was taking medicines and I
didn't believe depression because we both were engineering students. We didn't study together, but when we interacted for the first time, he was an engineering student and I also did engineering, and he was talking a lot about physics and he wanted to be an astronaut. So he was talking a lot about space and time. And sometimes when you study too much, I don't know, sometimes he would have, he thought that he has seen everything in life. There's nothing else left to be seen. You just lose interest in life if you are too exposed, or I don't know what kind of mind space he was in, but definitely not depression. I don't blame depression. Yeah, all of us. Agar Sushant ko depression ho gaya, to what will happen to people who are struggling and they don't get chance all their lives? Personally, they are shattered. They're physically, people who are sick, who can't even walk, who can't even see. They're going through deadly diseases. There's so much pain in this world. Sushant was touchwood, he was a happy soul, and God was very grateful to him for every. He should be grateful to him for. Sorry, what I'm saying. I mean, he had. उसके पास तो सब कुछ था कि he should feel grateful about.
Yes, right. तो आपको लगता है कि ये जो theories अभी आ रही हैं कि उनको काम नहीं मिल रहा था और certain camps ने उनको sideline कर दिया था और
कहाँ काम नहीं मिल रहा था? He was doing such good work. कहाँ काम नहीं मिल रहा था? He was an outsider with a decent look. He was not that typical Bollywood good looker or that kind of personality. He was though he was talented, he played very good characters, but there was nothing like this. It's just that people are taking out their frustration and angst. There are such big issues to discuss about. They should stick to these people should just grow beyond these things and work on themselves. There will be competition in the industry, there will be nepotism everywhere, people will get favors, but it's not done. There are a lot of outsiders from industry.
So you think because if अगर हम सुशांत की बात करें, we can't forget about what Ayushmann, Rajkumar Rao, they have achieved. They are of the same league, and even they are outsiders. And they are not working with big banners. Ayushmann is not working with YRF. Ayushmann is not working with Dharma Productions. He is just working with good scripts.
Yeah, exactly. Not everybody gets a chance. So it's okay. Everybody is working. So the people should not make issue about it. But Karan Johar is feeling it's his personal responsibility that he did not stay in touch with him. Shekhar Kapoor is tweeting that he could not stay in touch with him. That's not their responsibility to stay in touch with everyone they know.
Also, you have worked with Laksh in Porous, and he is going to get worked by Dharma Production. So, what is your take? Because you knew Sushant also personally, and as we talk, we are discussing about about the kind of work he has done. In a short span of time, he was able to touch so many people's life with the films he has done.
Exactly, he was such a risk taker. From engineering, he was such a brilliant student in studies, and he had a full library in his house. He used to read all the time, read so much. He still wanted to read more, grow more. He wanted to evolve. He used to do meditation. He was very mentally sorted, as far as I know. He was not a friend, but we just know when we talk to somebody, we just know what kind of character that person is. So I think he was a very sorted guy, and
so whenever you guys spoke with each other, what kind of conversation he had with you?
It was not, last few years I was not even in touch with him, but whenever socially we met, so he was a very brilliant guy. We used to talk about books he's reading, about physics and space and time. He wanted to become an astronaut. That's what he was discussing, that he wants to explore space. There's so much of, he used to tell that we are just tiny speck in the entire universe. Our existence doesn't matter. Something like this. I mean, that's what I think, that maybe he would have, he had seen it all, so he would have no interest. One day he would have just thought that everything is okay, I've seen life. Maybe, I don't know.
And coming back to the second question about Laksh, you work with Porous, and now
Karan Johar. People say about Shah Rukh Khan also he was an outsider, and with Karan Johar's association, see what wonders they have created. So and Laksh recently, with no background, nothing, completely on talent base, Laksh got a break from Dharma. So he went through a lot of rigorous auditions and screen tests. So I think there's nothing about nepotism that we are talking. People who are talking about it, I think they just want to grab attention, or they are taking out their personal frustration. Not everybody has the same temperament to work with similar kind of people. It's not about talent. Maybe sometimes in director's vision you don't suit the character. Sometimes your temperament doesn't match. So there are a lot of things when you work with someone. So it's all fine.
And what is your opinion on the people are now going all out and saying boycott Alia Bhatt, boycott Varun Dhawan,
Why?
boycott Tiger
Yeah.
Shroff? Do you think it is justified? Because even if they have got this privilege from their parents have literally slogged and worked hard to gain this recognition. And
Alia Bhatt would not have stayed without her talent. She's such a talented girl. People used to make fun of her general knowledge. She's not supposed to know this general knowledge. Whatever her profession is, whatever she's doing at its best. Imagine her sensibilities. How she emotes. She's more brilliant than. It's not necessary that she should have that general knowledge, but Google से ही हमें पता चल जाते हैं सारे आंसर्स. उसको अपने दिमाग में रखने की क्या जरूरत है? She has lot of other things to keep in her mind. So I think it's just bullshit. People who are not capable, जो खुद में weakness होती है ना, वो लोग ऐसे कहते हैं. क्यों? जो ऐसा भी नहीं है. जो people who are talented, who only talent stays. You can get first break, but if you are not talented, there are a lot of examples.
Yes.
उनको कहाँ ब्रेक मिली है? सोनम कपूर को ब्लेम कर रहे हैं. Her brother, he has not made it.
Right.
So, Sonam Kapoor was talented enough that she could break it.
हाँ, एक ही फैमिली में एग्जांपल है. अगर
lot of families.
नहीं.
Yeah, exactly.
मतलब एक ही फैमिली.
Shraddha Kapoor's brother. Yeah, एक ही फैमिली में Atiya and वो सूरज पंचोली है. There are a lot of other star kids. Some brother have made it, sisters have not. Brother sisters में भी ऐसा है. कई star sons ने कर लिया है. अब can't say anything about it.
Is a big superstar. But
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. With Twinkle Khanna and Rinki, her sister, she also tried. You can get first break maybe. Then it's all your talent.
Right. So, do you think this, boycott Star Kids it's not justified? You agree with it?
Not at all. Absolutely not at all. It's not justified. They're just people should rather focus on themselves and start grooming themselves more, mentally become sorted, and it's a difficult industry where there are more stakes, and you obviously have to struggle hard. It's not easy to become top Bollywood actor, and if you don't get a chance and then you blame it on nepotism.
And your take
I
on
think people should
Kangna's
just
comment?
with positivity. Yeah. Kangna also, I just know because she was in Chandigarh studying at that time and I was studying. Then we moved to Delhi together. We were doing modeling and we used to meet at auditions and So I just know her a little bit also. She speaks her heart, whatever she feels. So it's her take, but I don't agree with her opinion at all.
Right. So basically, you're saying that if you have talent, you can survive in the industry. Even
absolutely.
if nepotism exists, it's not like that the doors in Bollywood are shut or closed for outsiders. Outsiders
are given and it's not about Bollywood. Nepotism is everywhere. So even पुराने जमाने में राजा का बेटा ही राजा बनता था ना, किसी और आर्मी का जितना मर्जी वो हो वॉरियर अच्छा हो, उसको थोड़ी किंग बना देगा. वो अपने ही फैमिली मेंबर को ही बनाएगा ना. तो ये तो कोई this is bullshit if people are talking. And Bollywood especially तो सभी तो outsiders ही हैं Bollywood में. You are in the same circle that you get break easily. You know people in the industry, and from childhood these people they start knowing कि ये talented है. जैसे आलिया भट्ट का Karan Johar would know कि इसको she is a talented girl, तो उसको audition पे बुलाया. पर ऐसा नहीं है कि
right. और लोग
Deepika Padukone, Ranveer Singh, all of them are outsiders.
And लोग ये भी
There's so many.
हाँ, ये लोग ये भी भूल जाते हैं कि अगर करण जौहर ने अपनी फिल्म स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर में अगर 2 स्टार किड्स को लॉन्च किया, तो एक सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा को भी लॉन्च किया जो आउटसाइडर
Exactly.
अपने सेकंड फ्रेंचाइज में भी अगर उन्होंने 2 स्टार किड्स को लॉन्च किया, तो एक तारा सुतारिया को भी लॉन्च किया जो आउटसाइडर। एंड इतने जो डायरेक्टर्स उनके साथ काम कर रहे हैं, शशांक खेतान हो, पुनीत मल्होत्रा हो, ये सारे आउटसाइडर्स हैं, ये थोड़ी ना इंडस्ट्री वाले हैं। So you think yeah please go.
मैं लक्ष्य को वही लक्ष्य आपने एग्जांपल दिया, लक्ष्य को तुम he had no connection at all from दूर से वो किसी को नहीं जानता था, it's just purely based on talent. It's all your talent survives. Now if Lakshya will make it big, it will be his talent. उसको first break मिल गया, अगर to stay his temperament, how he copes with the entire the journey of it, तो ये सब चीजें उस पर डिपेंड करती हैं. Lot of things matter in life. It's just not nepotism that dictates somebody's life or death.
So thank you
so
much. It was great talking to you.
Thanks to you.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah.
Okay, you too.
Okay. Bye bye.
All right. Bye.